watch our YouTube channel, you know that we get some specialty vehicles in from time to time, and that's just the case in this one. 2020 Jeep Gladiator SCA Black Widow Edition. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual miles 20,633 on the odometer right now. Underneath the hood, 3.6 liter Magnuson supercharged air to water intercooler. Awesome color combination with the black, the red and gray highlights, of course the Black Widow emblems on it, and all your modern amenities: power windows, power locks, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, and a lot of add-ons. There will be a list of the specialty features on this vehicle in with the still pictures, so I'll try to highlight on a lot of them here, but I won't be able to hit them all. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website. We'll see all the still pics. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Remember, the list of, like I said, kind of the specialty things about this vehicle will be in with those still pics. And part of that list is 40-inch Cooper STT Pro tires. Those are 17-inch fuel rims. Road Armor steel front and rear bumpers. Let's take a little closer look at that. Of course, some aftermarket lighting, rigid light bar, and Smitty built winch behind that. Custom fender flares. Does have a Borla catback exhaust on it too. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a little peek at the interior. This vehicle has never been off-road, just so you know. Power running boards. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It's a Fab 4. Double roll bar. By the way, that winch in the front, the Smitty built XCR, 10,000 pound winch. Nylon rope and lead, by the way. This is a 3.5-inch SCA lift kit. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time, look through the still pictures of the spray and liner back here, I believe. Of course, the extra spare tire. What a beautiful build. We're going to take a look at the interior here too. Let you check that out. We'll start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek at the engine bay. And at the very end of this video, we're going to take this thing for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Fox shocks. And if you like these off-road type vehicles, maybe some cool late model vehicles, maybe you're into classics, muscle cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I've said it before, you never know what you will see come in here. And here's kind of one of those cases. Just don't see a lot of these out there. There's your power running boards with lights. Take a look at the beautiful stitching, seating areas in this, and of course, the removable roof, as well as the header panel up front, sound bar, as you can see. Door panels, again, seating surfaces, absolutely beautiful shape. Custom stitching, the Black Widow embroidery on there. All right, let's take a look at the exact miles. Like I said, 20,633, there it is. Let's go ahead and fire this up. As soon as I grab the key, we'll fire this up. There we go. It does have an insane audio system. WeatherTech floor liners. No check engine light, service engine, anything like that. So nice sounding stereo system to this. Old Night Ranger. Hey, this one sounds good too. Check this out. Again, it's a 3.6 liter Magnuson supercharged V6. Has a Taser engine management controller, and again, those Borla catback exhaust. There's just too much to list on this thing. Check out the still pictures, like I said, for the list of specialty items on this rig. It's a long list. All right, let me pause this a second. Let's get this hood open so we can check out the engine bay, because that part is just as good as the outside. Take a look at that hood liner. Absolutely spotless. I don't think this truck's been driven in any sort of inclement weather. This is unbelievable. There's an idea what that engine looks like. So 2020 Jeep Gladiator SCA Black Widow Edition. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Too many things to list in this video. Check out the still pictures. It'll be a lot easier for you to look down the sheet on it. UniqueClassicCars.com. You'll see probably close to 100 pictures of this vehicle online also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 507-386-1726. Stick around a little longer. We're going to take this thing for a ride to see how it goes down the road.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2020 Jeep Gladiator. In black, of course, with black interior. These are so much fun. Big Jeeps. Ready for off-road, but can go anywhere. Nice aggressive exhaust note to these. Plenty of power to get this big Jeep going. And it doesn't feel big. It drives like a Jeep. You feel the road. Nice, comfortable interior. Automatic here right on the center console, so it is easy to drive. It's got the manual bump, so you can bump up and down on that shift area instead of leaving it in auto, just for more fun factor. All our gauges are looking good. If there's any flickering on the lights on the dash, that's just our camera's frame rated, not the Jeep. Above me I have a plexi roof that I can see through just like a sunroof. Looking at the sky, it's a beautiful blue sky today in Minnesota. Steering wheel controls. For such a wide stance, they really don't, there's no pull on the steering. It doesn't have any of that jitteriness of some of the wider stance big trucks. Feels good. Corners nicely. Stays pretty flat in the corner. Of course, four-wheel drive. If you need some four-wheel drive or you want to go have some fun in some deep snow or mud, this will handle it. Black Widow treatment on the seats. Just a really nice Jeep with low miles, showing only 20,632 miles currently. Look at all the pictures and learn about this Jeep at UniqueClassicCars.com.